Can Akitas be trained for agility competitions? Agility competitions have gained immense popularity among dog owners and enthusiasts worldwide. These competitions not only provide an excellent platform for showcasing a dog's physical prowess and obedience, but also strengthen the bond between the dog and its owner. While certain breeds are commonly associated with agility, such as Border Collies and Australian Shepherds, one might wonder if Akitas, known for their autonomy and independent nature, can excel in this sport. Akitas, a majestic and powerful breed, have a reputation for being stoic and reserved. Originating from Japan, they were initially bred for hunting large game such as bears. They possess a muscular build, strong bone structure, and a thick double coat. These characteristics are ideal for their original purpose, but might pose challenges when it comes to agility training. One of the essential factors to consider when training Akitas for agility competitions is their temperament. Akitas are known to be independent, intelligent, and have a strong sense of loyalty. While this can make them wonderful family pets, it can also lead to challenges during training. Akitas may not be as inherently eager to please their owners as other breeds, making it crucial to establish a bond based on trust and respect. Patience and positive reinforcement are key elements in training any dog, and Akitas are no exception. Positive reinforcement techniques such as using treats, praise, and play can motivate them to perform well. However, punishment-based training or harsh methods can cause them to become aloof or resentful, hindering their progress in agility training. Socialization is another crucial aspect of training Akitas for agility competitions. Due to their natural instincts as hunters, Akitas may display aggression towards other dogs or animals. Early and consistent socialization with various environments, people, and dogs will help them understand acceptable behavior, which is essential while participating in agility competitions where they will encounter other dogs. Physical preparation is vital for Akitas training for agility. Akitas require regular exercise to maintain their muscular build and overall well-being. Long walks, jogging, and free play should be a part of their routine to keep them physically fit. However, it is important to note that their exercise routine should be balanced, as overexercising them at a young age may harm their developing joints. When it comes to agility-specific training, it is important to remember that each dog is an individual. While some Akitas may have a natural aptitude for certain agility obstacles, others may require additional time and effort to master them. Starting with basic commands such as sit, stay, and come is essential before progressing to more complex agility moves. Consistency and repetition are key to building a strong foundation in their training. Introducing Akitas to agility obstacles should be done gradually and patiently. Akitas may not be as naturally inclined to jump or weave through poles as some other breeds, but with proper training and reinforcement, they can learn and excel. Using rewards and positive reinforcement techniques will encourage them to overcome any initial hesitation and build confidence in tackling different obstacles. Lastly, it is essential to approach agility training as a fun and enjoyable experience for both the dog and its owner. Akitas thrive on mental stimulation and enjoy tasks that challenge their problem-solving abilities. Incorporating games, toys, and interactive play sessions into their training will not only keep them engaged, but also strengthen the bond between them and their owner. In conclusion, while Akitas may possess characteristics that make agility training challenging, they are not incapable of excelling in this sport. With proper training, socialization, positive reinforcement, and patience, Akitas can learn and master various agility obstacles. The key lies in understanding their unique temperament and tailoring the training approach accordingly. Agility training can not only provide physical stimulation for Akitas, but also help them channel their intelligence and